Hi traders, and welcome to Trading Talk episode 68. My name's Matthew. I'm one of the traders here on the desk here at TradeView. In this episode I'm going to be building a model inside EA Lab, and it's going to be using specific levels which are available to our intermediate members and can be found inside libraries. So it's incredibly easy to be able to reference this. They always get asked, can you build models and build algos using levels? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So anyone who isn't already a member definitely needs to become one to be able to do this. Also want to be able to discuss the Algo Trading Conference. It's an absolute killer event. With the start of August, there's new opportunity, new trading opportunities, and also it means we're 1 month closer to the Algo Trading Conference. So that means we've got limited seats available. So if you do want to get yourself a ticket, go to algotradingconference.com, inquire at the bottom of the screen, and then you can be able to contact myself, Matthew Shirtcliffe, here at TradeView. Also want to be able to discuss the international trading competition. The top 5 is shaping up nicely now. Marcus L is still absolutely killing it, and he's been trading some of the models which we actually share inside these very episodes. So if that doesn't tell you need to get involved with what we're doing, I don't know what will. That's all for this week's trading talk. I want to be able to show you guys how I improve this model next week. So have a great week trading, and bye for now.